Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the bag. Here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We got this box here, our bag. It is an electronic bag, I believe. So it has a handles here. There's no pocket on either of these sides here. Just opens up here. And then tissue there. A thank you note. Scan a QR code from Mortfo. And the contact information. And here is a letter. You can pause the video and read that if you'd like. And something Mewtwo proof piece. Okay. It says do not eat. And here, Romic. And then there's a slot for, I guess, hard drives, whatever here. A pen. More slots for the cables. Open this up. And these come apart. So something here, some here, some here. Open it like that. You just stuff your stuff in, clip it in, close it. Then that's all your cables and stuff should be managed. There's room underneath or something. And that is the electronic bag. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.